I can walk and drive.
No, you cannot. Stop.
I told you,
You're an asshole.
I 3 times told you. Mama, you drink too much. You drink too much. You got punching my glasses.
Incident date: the 18th of May, 2023. Location: Clark County, Nevada. Event: DUI and child endangerment. Arrest. Under United States v. Watson, 1,976 warrantless arrests in public places based on probable cause are constitutionally permissible. Cite 34.
What's the issue, ma'am?
I was trying to use my card.
Okay. And then, so are you causing a fuss, or?
No.
So why are we out here?
Oh,
I'm sorry?
Why are you out here? I don't know. Ask him.
Where are you coming from?
Kentucky Fried Chicken. I'm going to the house.
So, did you have anything to drink before coming here? Did you have anything to drink before coming here?
Yes.
What did you have to drink?
A beer.
You had 1 beer?
Yeah. Oh no, we're not doing this.
No, you just admitted to drinking and driving. Come here.
I'm not. Oh,
Yes,
no,
ma'am. Come here.
No.
Place your hands behind your back. Place your hands behind your back.
Don't take her to jail.
Place your hands behind your back, ma'am. Quit.
Wow.
Quit. You smell like alcohol, and you just said you're drinking. You should have had a beer.
You see a car?
All right.
You see a car? You see a car?
Quit.
I'm walking.
Quit.
I'm walking. I'm walking.
Quit.
I can walk and drink.
No,
I
you cannot.
I can
Stop.
walk and drink.
Quit.
Where's my car? Where's my car?
Quit
Where's my car?
resisting.
Where's my?
You better stop.
You gonna arrest me for drinking and walking?
How'd you get here? Did you walk?
Yeah, I walked.
From where?
My house. I live right over there.
So you walked here.
Yes.
With who?
My daughter, right there. That's my daughter. Come on, why are you doing this to
So
me?
did you drive?
That's my daughter.
Okay, answer me
That's my
again.
daughter.
Did you drive? Yes or no? You walked here. You walked here.
Me and my daughter both walked there.
Did you guys walk here? Did you walk? Whose car is that over there? It's a van. Did she drive here? She did drive. In what vehicle? No, what vehicle did she drive in? There's a van? Okay. I'm not gonna play games with you. Who can I call to come pick up your daughter? Call your dad, tell him to come pick you up.
I told you.
You're an asshole.
I 3 times told you. Mama, you drink too much. You drink too much. You got punching my glasses. I'm 3 times told you. Ask your daughter. I'm request, Mama. You drink too much. You drink too much. Then I'm called police. And you
42.
tell me.
One white female, 1095. Let's
Oh,
go.
you're an asshole. I hate you. I hate you. I hate you. I fucking hate you. Give my phone, Sarah.
42. Can I get a female unit for a pat down? You're gonna wait in my car till we get a female out here to come give you a pat down.
You're not gonna do
Quit.
nothing. You're not gonna do. Go ahead.
Quit.
You quit.
Quit.
You quit. You quit. You quit. Go ahead, mother. You fucking think I'm a. No, I ain't your. No,
Get inside.
run.
Get inside. Not kick me. Do not kick me. Do not kick me.
I can't breathe. I can't breathe.
Get up.
You you motherfucking
Sit up. Sit up.
you.
Sit up. Sit up.
Wow, you're breaking my arm.
No, I'm not. Sit up.
Yes, you are.
You can sit up.
I
You
cannot.
drove here, right? You can sit up. Get up.
Take that shit. Take that shit on my hands.
Can I get a CR?
Take that shit on my hands, please.
8080.
Ma'am, is there something wrong with you? What's the matter?
Oh, everything.
Oh, okay. I see
Please, everybody.
She's
take it.
intoxicated. She
Yeah.
smells like
Just
alcohol.
say
Yeah,
it.
yeah, yeah.
I'm intoxicated.
After she got here, she drove.
I'm angry.
And she drank.
I'm angry.
So,
I'm angry.
that's my
I'm
TC right
angry.
there.
Oh, you're
I'm
That's the car
angry.
right there.
I'm angry.
the
Please don't hurt me.
red van?
Yeah.
I got you.
Please just say this shit up. I won't fight
Your name
you.
yet? Huh? Your
I
name
don't
yet?
want to go to jail.
No.
I got you.
I don't
Hey,
want to go to jail.
Hey, ma'am.
I don't want to go to jail.
Ma'am.
God. My kid's in there.
Your kids are where?
My kid's
She had
right
a kid in
there.
the car too.
Where's the kid at?
The little girl over there.
Okay. Hey, sweetheart, you okay?
We just called the dad. He said give him 10 minutes and I'm going to stay with her till he get here.
Daddy's on the way. Okay.
3 times.
You want to have a seat for me?
And now I'm gonna jail. And my children's inside. And my boys. Oh my God. My husband's gonna beat my ass.
That's why I'm calling. Because you drive too much. 3 times request, Mama, go home, go home. I can't drive car. Because car also open door. The rear car.
Yeah.
That's it.
To have a seat in the car. Please,
Why?
have a seat in the car.
Why?
Well, we already asked nice. We are beyond nice at
But
this
why?
point.
Why? Because I tried to use...
I don't answer your questions, okay? You do what you're told. I'm sorry to put it that way. You need to have a seat.
I tried to use a debit card.
I'm not talking to you. I'm telling you to get in the car.
I tried to use a debit card.
Precinct 5, signal 31,
And the debit card would not go through.
We have to get in the
At this point, it's crystal clear that you're obstructing us.
Yeah.
You're definitely under arrest for, at the very least, obstruction. You need to have a seat in the
For
car.
what?
For not following
I'm not your
directions.
lawyer. I'm not answering your questions. I'm telling you, you need to sit in the car.
Right. So you don't want to catch an obstruction charge. So let's just have a seat, okay? Alright. She's
Why?
resisting.
What
I
is,
know she is.
What,
No,
what,
before you got here, Hernandez
No.
has already given Hernandez a hard time. That's why we're
what, is,
beyond nice.
what is the charge?
Obstruction.
It is
no.
obstruction.
For what?
Because
For not following
Officer Fucci is trying to gently guide you into the backseat of this car like you were told to do, and you're not doing it.
My home is right over there. Please let me go.
Before you do anything, you need to sit in the car.
Watch your head.
There you go. There you go.
Alright, at least just put your feet in
No,
there.
I'm not doing it.
Alright,
I'm
well,
not doing it. My husband is here.
51 Alpha 1.
How far away is your husband?
I don't know. He's gonna fucking beat my ass too.
So at this point, we're gonna pull you in the back of the car unless you get out
You're
yourself.
not. No, you're not. No, please. No. Why? Why would y'all do that? Wow. Wow. Why, sir?
Yeah.
Alright, Sarah.
Alright.
Let's go say hi to Dad.
Alright, Sarah.
Hey there. Yeah, she's fine.
Okay, thank you, Kenny.
Yeah, of course.
Okay.
She got the mom car. The car is over there.
Okay.
I don't
What's
know.
problem?
She was coming back and forth to the store. The store guy was like, I sold you beer 2 times. The car declined 3 times and she wanted the beer. But she was stuttering so much that he couldn't sell it to her. So he told her, just go home and y'all come back. And she said they always come here. So she didn't want to do that. Yeah. And she told him, she said, call the cops. And Sarah was like, Mom, come on, let's go. She told her. And I told her, I said, hey, just go because, you know, you've been drinking. You're going to go to jail. And she said, I'm not going to jail. And then she was trying to fight the cops and all.
Okay.
So she doesn't have the keys on her. They must be in the store still.
The car.
Okay.
In the car? Okay.
The lady, your mama is go por jail now. Sandra is go por jail.
Yeah. She'll just go take a nap and then she'll be back.
Yeah, okay. Digo, what's up?
I told him what happened.
3 times, Mama, you drank too much. You drank too much. You go home. Your daughter tell me, Mama, come home. Come home. No. No. Okay, thank you. Okay. No problem. No problem. I'm happy with my
That's the
children.
husband.
Yeah, it's my husband. Okay, the keys are car is over here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you, okay? You say it, okay?
Wait,
Thank
where's the key?
okay? It's my life.
car?
Stay, believe me, stay here, please.
I hear you.
We got out here. Hernandez is trying to work with her at the gas station. Hey, you need to go. Oh wait, and then quickly realizes, okay, this lady's highly intoxicated, and her van's parked out here, and like she drove here with her child in the car, under the influence. So he goes ahead and puts handcuffs on her, and then she starts obstructing him. She sits down on the ground. We had to sweet talk her into the car. She's a piece of work right now. I told Hernandez there's a very good chance CCDC will make him go to Memorial anyways. Right now her charges are at least like public intoxication and obstruction, but I think Hernandez is going to swing the DUI. He's got camera footage of her pulling up into the parking lot. I'm not sure what his plans are, but she definitely needs to go to jail today. Dad's here. They're quote married, but he don't even know her birthday. So trouble in paradise, I guess. But she's literally got a weed grinder and a burnt bowl in her center console, on top of the alcohol we can smell coming from her.
I mean, so with that, I mean, yeah, I see, like, I guess, immediately, like, a little bit of, like,
If I was in your shoes, I'd keep the charges simple. You've got a good case on simple charges. You can pursue a deeper investigation into something deeper, but you've got simple charges.
Per Berkemer v. McCarty, 1,984 brief roadside questioning during non-custodial contacts does not require Miranda advisement. Cite 4148. Horton v. California 1990 establishes that officers lawfully present may seize evidence in plain view without a warrant. Cite 38. Under Graham v. Connor, 1,989 force is evaluated based on crime severity, immediate threat, and active resistance. Cite 48. Under NRS 484C 110 and 484C 160, operating a vehicle under the influence with a minor is a Category B felony. Cite 5054. Under NRS 199280, willfully resisting or obstructing a public officer constitutes a gross misdemeanor. Cite 5556. Legal Lesson 1. Voluntary admissions prior to custody provide immediate probable cause preventing defense arguments. Cite 143. Legal Lesson 2. Physical resistance against lawful arrest elevates misdemeanor charges into severe obstruction penalties. Cite 144. Legal Lesson 3. Driving impaired with a child transforms standard DUI offenses into severe felony child endangerment. Cite 142.